Hey, Nicole.
Hey, Sarah Beth. It is so hot outside.
It really is.
Whew.
But I'm going to have to ask you to do something.
Okay.
So we're about to do chemistry.
Yeah.
And my chemistry rule of thumb is if you're doing it, it can't go in your mouth. So no food, no drink.
But you've got water right there.
This is labeled. It's a
borax. That is not water.
Not water.
Do not drink that.
Yes.
All right. I will take my water away
Right.
so we do not get it confused.
And I'm
That's a
going
good
to.
idea.
Now, we are working with water.
Okay.
But what I like to do is to remind people not to use the water, is I color it.
That makes a lot of sense.
So I'm going to put a little coloring in this water.
Very cool. I love how water works. Oh my goodness.
See that? Oh,
It is amazing.
It's diffusion. We're going to
Yes.
give it a little stir.
Diffusion.
So we did talk about oobleck last time, and you
We
thought
did.
it was glue. This is glue.
Oh, okay. So that's
Right.
actual glue.
So this is just normal school glue. So like the oobleck, you could do this at home
I
if
just
you
want
wanted
to try
do
something. I know it's going to get stuck to me, but I
Oh,
want to see
okay.
if it works like oobleck, which of course it doesn't.
It doesn't because
Right.
it's glue.
That's
But
very
glue
cool.
is also a polymer.
Yeah.
What we're going to do with this polymer is we're going to cross-link those polymers. So instead of it flopping it around like this, we're going to add so that we have cross-linked polymers.
So something more like.
Yeah, something more like that. Mhm.
Okay.
Yep, that's what we're going to do.
Cool.
So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to dilute the glue just a little bit.
With our water, but it's
Yeah.
colored.
Yeah.
Okay.
So go ahead and stir that.
I will stir that. Oh yes, that diluted it very
Yeah,
nicely.
just diluting it a little bit. And there is an exact way to do slime, but I'm not measuring because we're messing around, we're not experimenting here.
Very cool.
Now I'm taking my borax solution. Now this is labeled.
Okay.
It's really important when you're doing chemistry to know what's there.
I totally agree with that.
So now what we're gonna do is
Okay.
keep stirring it.
All right, keep
I'm gonna
stirring.
add this borax solution. So this
Okay.
boric acid is what it is.
Okay.
And it is going to cross-link all of those glue polymers.
Very cool.
All right, so we're just gonna add a little bit.
All right.
And you should notice a change
Oh my
relatively
goodness.
quickly.
Yes, very quickly. Wow. That wasn't much at all.
It wasn't much.
And that's just like standard borax you get at the store with water.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And you mix it with water and make a solution. You can, if you're looking up close, you can see that it's kind of cloudy.
Okay.
It's not.
And
so,
what's is there like a parts per thing to that?
It's a super saturated solution, which means we just made sure that it was. We have some that's not in solution there.
Okay.
So we just made sure there's plenty. So we added a little bit more.
Yeah.
And
Ooh,
now.
and now we're making slime.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Now I know. Remember, nothing in your mouth.
Right.
So you can go ahead and put your hands on it,
Put my
though.
hands on it though?
As long as you're not playing with slime made with borax for very long, you're not going to hurt your skin.
Okay.
If you play with it a little too long, you can get a little, particularly
Like
sensitive hands.
An irritation or something.
Yeah, here, I'll pull out some too. Oh, this might not be as cross-linked. So you can see that this is not cross-linked.
No.
Cross-linked, not cross-linked.
cross-linked.
So what we can do here, and again, we're making another
Oh,
mess.
that's very
Is we're
cool.
going to
Add more and then it'll become
Add a little
cross-linked.
bit. Mix with your fingers.
Oh, that's super cool.
So those are cross-linked polymers. Yeah.
Super cool.
Do you remember when you were...
Yeah, I was gonna say it doesn't do the same thing that the plastic is doing. I was trying to do it and it will not.
Well, if you go really slowly,
really slow,
we can slide those polymers across from each other and get a nice little window.
Oh, we do. All right, you gotta go super slow.
Super
though.
slowly, because these are not cross-linked that well.
Right.
Right. So take the polymers, cross-link them together with another chemical, and you've got a really cool
Polymer. Yeah.
Now, what's really important?
Cleaning up.
Don't get this on carpet or on your clothes.
Yeah.
It can be kind of icky. So, but this is something you can do at home, and there's many different types of slime that you can make at home.
Cool.
So you can
And we
experiment
can
with
mess
it.
around.
You can mess around, and you can change the color of your slime. And there are other things you can make slime out of.
All right.
Yep, it's all polymers.
Cool. Polymers are really neat. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
All right, I'm gonna go take this home to Freya. I think she'll enjoy it, and we'll make more at home.
all right, I'll give you the cup so that you're not going to get it on your clothes.
Thanks, I appreciate
All right.
that.
Let me just see if I have something else to show you about polymers.
Okay.
All right.